Welcome! Today, let's draw a beautiful rainbow with fluffy clouds. Grab your paper and colors, and let's make something magical together. First, let's add some clouds. Draw a few fluffy shapes underneath the rainbow to give it some company. They can be big or small, whatever you like. Great job! Now, let's draw a gentle curve across the top of the paper for our rainbow. Don't worry about perfection. Rainbows come in all shapes and sizes. Fantastic! Now let's add some color to our clouds. A light touch of blue will make them look even more magical, blending perfectly with our colorful rainbow. Wonderful job! Now, let's start by coloring the bottom curve of our rainbow with a vibrant violet. Bravo! Now let's continue upwards with deep indigo. Next up, we have the color blue. Let's fill in the next section of our rainbow with a bright and cheerful blue. Moving along, let's add a lush green to the following section of our rainbow. Now, let's paint the next section with a sunny yellow. This vibrant color symbolizes warmth and happiness. Up next, we have a fiery orange. Let's fill in the following section of our rainbow with this energetic hue. And finally, let's complete our rainbow with a bold red. This passionate color adds a sense of drama and intensity, making our rainbow truly come alive with color. Great job on your artwork! Thank you for watching! See you in the next video and subscribe our channel. Bye-bye!